Hello, hello. This is Debbie Drummond. Welcome to Passive Income with Content. Maybe you create digital assets. Maybe you have videos that you create. What are you doing on the back end of that to make your work for you whenever you're actually not working? So if you're hanging with your friends, if you're at the gym, or if you're just a couch potato, how can your business still be nonstop? Now, more than ever, I want to send out a message to you. Take action in yourself. Put effort into anything that you can and anything that you have complete control over. Now, a lot of the things in our life we don't have control over. We kind of just have to go with the flow, and things change. Things aren't always peachy and rosy and sunshine and rainbows, but that doesn't mean that times when it's not like that, that we just shut down or we stop focusing on our goals. And that is really, really important. I always like to make these videos kind of timeless. So whenever you're watching it, I always want you to take action in yourself and invest in yourself. Work to get better at anything that you want to get better at. A great place to start is, making money and learning ways that you can make additional income, or even replace your 9-to-5, or get some income in for your car payment or your mortgage, or maybe it's like a mastermind or a program that you're in, and then you want to recoup some of that money, recoup your investment. The only way that you're going to be able to do that is to learn, number one, and then take action, number two. I wanted to introduce you a way that you can very affordably get into almost like personal one-on-one training with me, Debbie Drum, and Amy Harrop. I partner with her a lot on different projects. We decided to make a product together where we were going to do live sessions, and whoever comes on who takes advantage of it live, if it's a replay, you're cool too if you're watching this video later on. But if you get on live, it is like having a personalized training session, private coaching session with me and Amy, because you get to come on and you get to ask us questions. The whole purpose of this is to have this in a time period where it would be realistic for you to create a low content product along with us. In this case, that low content product is card decks, and card decks are an amazing opportunity to make a low content product. Number one, get it up to sell, put it up on Amazon, put it up on any marketplace that you want to put it up on. And, the whole goal is to have this product not take you a lot of time to construct, but also have it be very powerful, because then you can learn how to do it, and you can do it for yourself. You can do it for others. Look at this as an opportunity where you can get some like one-on-one help. It's not really your personalized training, because there will be other people on the call, but for the price that we're doing this at, the intro price, it'll be affordable either way for you. But right now is a really killer time to get in on this. And we wanted to make it all affordable for you. And we planned this before all this catastrophe was going on. But, I feel really good about this. And that's why I wanted to talk to you this week about having you join, so that you can have something that you can at least get up, start selling, learn the process, learn low content. Because if you're following me and Amy, you know that we talk about low content a lot, and we are content masters. We're the queens of content. Okay. So this is how we make money in our business. And this is how we show people that how they can make money in their business. Okay. And you get good at creating content. You get good at creating content quickly, no matter what it is. That is an avenue for you to take advantage of and get online and start making that passive income, doing the work, get that passive income flowing into your business. So Monique has a question here that she's tried searching Amazon and Etsy for card decks. So basically there is market potential for sure. If you read some of the stats on this page, what I am also going to be doing on our live calls videos is talking about premium offers. And that is something that I learned from the last weekend at my event from a very, very successful internet marketer. And it's the concept of having something physical in your business. So whether you're selling card deck or some other kind of low content product, like I do, like my journals and my workbooks, having some asset like that in your business is something that we're going to be addressing. So if you don't see the potential with cards, or maybe like, let's say card decks don't really interest you, this is kind of what we're just leading with. But what I wanted to do is really come on and say that, if you have a question about any type of low content product, we're going to show you like niche stuff. We're going to show you how to get the content too. So those are things that kind of go under the umbrella of low content. And this is my gift to you. Amy's also included, obviously. It's a really affordable price. Like I said earlier, to, invest in yourself and really focus on your plan, focus on things that you can be in control over. Okay. So right now the sessions are live, so you should take advantage of that. If you're on this and you're watching the replay, you're going to have a nice members area. All the training will be in the members area. All the replays will be in there, and all the bonuses, especially. So we have, the templates that we're going to show you. Again, we're going to be building as we do the sessions, so you can follow along, do it along, and also take this opportunity to learn about low content on kind of like a live, session atmosphere, if you will, because that is, this is just a cool opportunity, I think, and it's coming at a really good time. So the sessions, really quick, we're going to go over session 1, creating card decks that sell. Again, when we talk about niche, when we talk about keywords, when we talk about titling, when we talk about publishing, not just card deck is like the overall umbrella. We're going to stay within topic, but you're also going to be able to transfer that to other products. Session 2, the nuts and bolts of designing your card deck the easy way. So that's all the design stuff. That's another thing too, like images, designing, what programs, that's all part of low content. It's not just card deck stuff. Session 3, upload, publish, and sell. And then session 4, we're going to get into the marketing. Highly, highly recommend. This is your chance to also ask any additional questions that might not have come up in the sessions, or maybe you forgot to ask. This is definitely worth way more than what we're charging right now. Here are the sample templates. Basically, one of the things that I'm really, really excited about with this is sharing the premium strategy with you. And again, applies to this particular one that I'm showing, applies to card deck, but it's apply to anything like physical that you might want to tie in with your business. Okay. Viviana, that is also inside the product. That's part of it. That's part of like the publishing process. And we also cover different sources, and I'm going to be demoing actually my favorite source. And again, this is all print on demand stuff if you want. Okay. I brought all my, actually, at my event this week, and I was like, wouldn't it be cool if I took my latest journal and gave it to all the members of the people, the attendees pretty much, right? So this is kind of an example. So basically there's print on demand, which is you're only printing when somebody buys, but then you can do a little bit of inventory if you're, number one, really proud of your product. Let's say it goes with a program that you're doing, or maybe you have something that's selling well already and you want to do FBA. Can't get into all of that right now, but the point is that this new book, I think it's about 100 pages, the focus wheels. So it's just all the workbook of focus wheels. If you don't know what a focus wheel is, buy my book, because I have a full training in there. It only costs like literally, I think it was like $2.15 to purchase one book. So I purchased 22. And then I did like a little speed on the shipping because I needed it sooner than they said they would if it was just, I don't know if it was free shipping or the least expensive one, whatever it was. So the point is that if this costs $2.15 and you're giving something to your customers or giving something of value and you're giving something something that they can work through. In my case, it's working through any issues that you might have. Like I say, instantly change your vibrational alignment from negative to positive with focus wheels. And I titled that purposely because it's for people who are kind of already into the law of attraction. And that's what I was going after, this keyword, the law of attraction journal. So anyway, the point is having something that you can put in somebody's hands included in your business is really, really cool. And that's all I can say about that because I don't have any more time. But I hope that you get in. I hope to see you at these live sessions. They're going to be a blast. Me and Amy always have fun together and always give the goods. Extra, extra excited. And again, very, very timely because I'm going to be talking about this a lot and talking about how you need to focus on what you see. I'm like tearing up right now because I feel very passionate about it. That you need to focus on what you can control. And, it's hard times right now and you just have to make the best of it. Oh, the coupon. The coupon's on the page. Okay, Monique? Sorry. I don't want to tell you the coupon because I, number one, don't know it, but it's on the page. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one and go dry my eyes now and get back. All right. Bye, guys.